Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As we look ahead to 2026, I know a lot of us are thinking about what we want to achieve. We're setting goals, feeling that burst of New Year motivation, and dreaming of a better version of ourselves. But let's be honest, how many times have we started a year strong, only to find our motivation fizzles out by February? That feeling of being busy but not actually making progress is frustrating. So today, we're not talking about temporary motivation spikes or luck. We're going to build a simple, powerful framework that you can actually live by for the entire year, a system built on clear direction, daily discipline, and consistent execution. This isn't about a complete life overhaul overnight. It's about making 2026 a year of genuine, sustainable success. First things first, we need to define what success actually means for you. This is the most critical step, and it's the one most people skip. If you don't define your own version of success, you'll spend the entire year chasing someone else's definition, scrolling through social media, and feeling like you're falling behind. You'll get caught up in what society tells you success should look like. The fancy car, the big house, the perfect career. But does that truly align with what you want? So, I want you to take a moment and really think about it. Ask yourself, what does a successful 2026 look like in different areas of my life? Think about your health, your finances, your faith or spirituality, your career, your relationships with family and friends, and your personal growth. What would make you look back at December 2026 and feel genuinely fulfilled, not just exhausted from being busy? Get out a journal or a piece of paper and write down 3 to 5 clear, specific outcomes you want to achieve by the end of the year. Not vague ideas, but tangible results. Now that you have your outcomes, here's where the real magic happens. You need to choose one main focus for the year. Just one. Not 10. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's the secret to making real progress. The biggest reason people fail to achieve their goals is that they try to change everything all at once. They want to get fit, save more money, read more books, start a side hustle, and become a morning person, all starting on January 1st. It's a recipe for burnout. By choosing one overarching theme, you create a guiding star for your year. This theme will inform all your daily decisions and actions. For example, your main focus could be build, discipline, and consistency. Or maybe it's improve my financial stability. It could also be something more internal, like strengthen my mindset and faith. Whatever it is, make it your North Star. Every time you have a decision to make, you can ask yourself, does this align with my main focus? This simplifies your choices and keeps you on track. Once you have your main focus, it's time to break it down. We need to turn those big, intimidating goals into small, daily, non-negotiable. Grand ambitions are achieved through tiny, consistent actions performed every single day. This is how you build momentum and make change stick. Let's take some common goals and translate them. Instead of the vague goal get fit, your daily non-negotiable becomes do 30 minutes of movement. It doesn't have to be an intense gym session. It could be a brisk walk, a YouTube workout, or dancing in your living room. Instead of grow financially, your daily actions are track my expenses and spend 15 minutes learning about personal finance. Instead of grow mentally, you commit to read 10 pages of a book or journal for 5 minutes before bed. The key here is consistency over intensity. It's not about one heroic effort. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. These small daily wins are what compound over time to create massive results. Next, you need to become a master of your focus and a ruthless eliminator of distractions. Your future is a direct result of what you give your attention to today. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere, constantly pulling you away from what truly matters. Your phone buzzes, a new notification pops up, and suddenly, you've lost 30 minutes to mindless scrolling. That's 30 minutes you'll never get back. To make 2026 your year, you have to reclaim your attention. This means being intentional. Set specific time blocks in your calendar for deep, focused work on your goals. During these blocks, put your phone in another room or turn off all notifications. Protect your mornings and evenings. These are golden hours. Use your mornings to set the tone for the day and your evenings to wind down and reflect rather than getting lost in the endless scroll. Remember this powerful equation. Distractions cost you time and progress. Focus pays you back with results. Every time you choose focus over distraction, you are making an investment in your future self. A huge part of this journey is building a growth mindset. How you frame the challenges you'll inevitably face will determine whether you quit or keep going. In 2026, let's adopt a new perspective. When you encounter failure, see it as feedback. It's not a judgment of your worth. It's data telling you what to adjust. When you feel pressure, see it as an opportunity for growth. Pressure is what turns coal into diamonds. When you experience delays, see them as preparation time. Maybe you're not ready for that next step yet, and the delay is giving you the chance to build the skills you need. Stop asking, "Why is this so hard?" That question puts you in a victim mindset. Instead, start asking, "What is this situation trying to teach me?" This question empowers you to learn, adapt, and become stronger. Your mindset is the operating system for your life. A growth mindset ensures you can handle any bugs or crashes along the way. Now let's talk about your environment. This is a big one. We often think success is all about willpower and motivation, but the truth is, your environment shapes your behavior far more than you realize. You're shaped by your environment. So, for 2026, you need to conduct an audit of your environment. Who are the people you listen to on a daily basis? Are they lifting you up and inspiring you, or are they dragging you down with negativity? What content are you consuming? Is your social media feed filled with things that make you feel inadequate, or is it filled with knowledge and inspiration that aligns with your goals? What habits are being reinforced by the people and places around you? If you want to eat healthier, but your kitchen is stocked with junk food, you're making it incredibly hard on yourself. The formula is simple. Upgrade your inputs to upgrade your outcomes. Curate your environment to make your desired actions the easiest path. Another key to long-term success is to review weekly and reset often. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing to course correct. Life happens. You'll have off days. You'll miss a daily non-negotiable. You'll get sidetracked. That's okay. The goal isn't a perfect streak. It's progress. Set aside a little time every Sunday to review your week. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What worked well this week? What didn't work so well? And what is the next right move for the week ahead? This weekly check-in is like your personal roadmap. It helps you see if you're still on the right road, or if you've taken a wrong turn. It allows you to celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and adjust your plan without judgment. Success isn't a straight line. It's a process of constant adjustment and realignment. This simple habit keeps you engaged and moving forward, 1 week at a time. And finally, my last point is perhaps the most important one. Commit before you feel ready. Real change doesn't magically happen on January 1st when the clock strikes midnight. It happens in the exact moment you decide to commit. There's no waiting for the perfect time. There's no waiting for motivation to strike like a lightning bolt. There's no waiting until you feel confident enough to start. Confidence isn't a prerequisite for action. It's a result of it. You build confidence by taking action, especially when it's scary and you feel uncertain. So, make the commitment to yourself right now. Decide that you are going to follow through. The only thing you need is to start, and then to keep starting. Again and again. Every single day. It's about the simple, unglamorous discipline of showing up. So, as a final reminder for your journey through 2026, just focus on becoming a little bit better than you were yesterday. That's it. That's the whole game. It's not about giant leaps. It's about small, incremental improvements that compound over time. This is how real, lasting growth happens. You have the framework. Now it's time for action. Let's make 2026 a year of incredible progress and fulfillment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this framework helps you structure your year for success. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your one main focus for 2026 is. I'd love to hear it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.